She's so tiny. Why are you taking pictures with my camera?
Now?
Ow, your butt is like right on my thigh.
Yeah, guys, can we film it? Seriously.
Dumbledore.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to lick it. I'm kidding. Dumbledore.
Oh my god, in this gym class, in my gym class, there's like three lesbian girls, and like they lick each other and stuff. It's gross.
What?
We like to lick each other, yeah.
Are you taking a video? Yeah.
No, in my gym class, there's like these. Just kidding. Just kidding. I don't like it, but I mean to.
You just jabbed your eye with the camera. Her butt hurts. Ow!
Guys, we'll definitely put this on YouTube.
We should do it now.
No one's gonna watch it. I don't have the cord.
I'd like to see like everybody talking about this.
But I don't have the cord right now. We should just have a conversation
you know
and
what?
tape it and then put on YouTube.
You don't have a
That's
what?
fine.
The cord.
Ow!
Glenny, your butt hurts.
Penis!
Penis.
Hi, Tina.